Good morning, dear kids. Today I am taking a topic area of circles. Let's start. What is area of circle? ये circle के अंदर कितनी area है? अगर ये आपको calculate करना है, for that your formula is area of circle is pi r square. Pi value you can put it 22 by 7. Radius will be given in the problem. If diameter is given, then you have to make half of it to get with the radius. And that you have to make a square of the radius. For example, let's take our problem number 1a, which says you have to find the area of these circles and give your answer to correct one decimal place. You have area is equal to pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 into 9 into 9. When you do this, my dear kids, you will get your answer as 254.57. You have to limit your answer to 2 decimal place. Isn't it easy? Can you solve the rest other? Yes. Let me check what we have next. Okay. Now, if you can notice here, in your first problem, you have to calculate the area of each of the shapes and give your answer to a suitable degree of accuracy. Now, first you have, if you notice that is a circle ka adha, that is called as semicircle. Now, what will be the area of semicircle? अगर पूरे की area है pi r square, तो आधे की हो जाएगी half pi r square. Yes? So, we can go for finding this. You can go for area is equal to pi r square upon 2. Pi you have 22 upon 7. For this, if you can notice, the radius is 8 and whatever answer you get, you have to divide with 2. Yes, my dear kids, can you get with the answer for this? Next, I will take with this, which is a quadrant. Getting my point? It is 1/4 part of your circle, like this. If you want the area of this, you can go for pi r square upon 4. Why divided by 4? Because this is the fourth part. This is 1/4. This is whole circle ka fourth part. Getting my point? So that's the reason I'm putting upon 4. ठीक है, तो आप कैसे find करेंगे? So you have to put 22 upon 7. That is the value of pi. Radius it is given 10, my dear kids, and 10 and divide by 4. When you solve this, whatever answer you will get will be the area of this quadrant. Is that very, very clear? Okay. Then I'll zoom the screen. I'll erase this part. Okay, let's try out with this. Your next is, if you notice the structure which consists of a rectangle and a semicircle. Yes, so we have to find the area of this. What we will do now? First, we will take the area of your rectangle. So, area of this structure will be equal to area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. For rectangle, area is length into breadth, plus for semicircle, it is pi r square upon 2. Got my point clear? For rectangle, you have the dimensions 8 into 6, plus here if you notice, if this side is 6, so we will say this is the opposite side in a rectangle and that will be 6 also. But that is a diameter of your semicircle and half of it will be called as the radius. So can we take radius as 3? Yes. So you have 22 upon 7 into 3 and down 2. Why I'm putting this 2? Because it's a semicircle and semicircle area will be half the total area of circle. The total area of circle is pi r square. So when you divide by 2, you will get the area of half circle. And when you add with that half circle area of rectangle, you will get the entire area of this structure. Can you do that? Let me take with this Now if you notice here, we have a semicircle, this, and this. 4 semicircles are there. Let me check what measurements are given here. Okay, if you notice, this 6 represents the length of your rectangle. So this is 6. This 2 represents the breadth of your rectangle. So this is 2. Now if this is length, this is breadth, so it will be easy for us to calculate the area of in between rectangle. Now once we get 6 into 2, that is 12, as the area of rectangle, 12 centimeter square, we will jump on to the semicircles. Now my dear kids, if you notice the bigger semicircle, it lies on the length of your rectangle. So its diameter will be 12 and half of it will be 6. That will be the radius of one semicircle. Am I making sense? So radius will be 6. So with this radius 6, you have to find the area of this semicircle. It will be pi r square upon 2. So that will be 22 upon 7 into 6 into 6. I'm sorry, I guess I have made a mistake. By mistake, I have taken 12 here. The measurement is 6 there. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. The measurement I just saw now, it's 6 here. So the radius will become 3 centimeter for this semicircle. For this semicircle, the radius is 3 centimeter and the formula for semicircle area is pi r square upon 2. That will make 22 upon 7 into 3 into 3, and whatever answer you get, you have to divide by 2. And that will be your area of this semicircle, which I have marked as yellow. Now if you notice, on the other hand side, you have a same semicircle of equal in size. So can I multiply this answer of area with 2, because there are 2 semicircles? So you will get the entire area of 2 bigger semicircles. Okay, so in a way I have 2 bigger semicircles. So for each bigger semicircle, I'm getting 14.13 centimeter square. And when I multiply with 2, I'm getting 28.26 centimeter square as the area of these semicircles, the which I have marked yellow. These 2 semicircles area is मिला के 22.26. And in between rectangle हम तो कर ही चुके हैं, that is 6 into 2, that is 12 centimeter square. Now the third part remains, these, which I am coloring blue now here, these small semicircle. For this small semicircle, this is 2 entirely, so the radius will be 1. Are you getting my point clear? तो radius 1 लेकर आपको pi r square upon 2 area find करनी है. Upon 2 इसलिए क्योंकि हम आधे आधे semicircle की कर रहे हैं. Okay, so now it makes sense. ये आधा है ब्लू कलर का और ये आधा है, तो एक पूरा सर्कल हो जाता है. तो अगर आप चाहें तो डायरेक्टली आप पाई आर स्क्वायर ले लेंगे तो भी चलेगा, क्योंकि आगे जाके आप 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते ही हैं 2 सेमी सर्कल को ज्वाइन करने के लिए. तो अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप डायरेक्ट पाई आर स्क्वायर से जाओ. So pi r square, if you want to take pi, 3.14 or 22 upon 7, it's one and the same thing. Your radius is 1 this time, so your answer is 3.14. Am I clear with this? We are taking pi r square for the 2 semicircles. I'm making them as single circle. So you have pi r square, that is 3.14. Okay. So you have 28.26 was the area of bigger. 28.26 was the area of bigger 2 semicircles. Then you had 12 for in between rectangle, and then you have 3.14. And when you add all these, my dear kids, you will get the area of required structure. Next, my dear kids, we have the diagram shows a circular disc inside a square frame. The disc just fits inside the square. Calculate the area of square frame. You have to calculate the area of square frame. Now area of square is what, my dear kids? Area of square is side into side, that is side square. So that will be 5 into 5, that will make 25 centimeter square. So you got your first part, area of square. Your next part is area of circular disc. Now, whatever measurement you have the side for the side of the square, that same will be the diameter of your circle, and half of the diameter will be your radius. So the diameter of this circle will be 5, and hence the radius will be half. Therefore, radius, can I take it 2.5? So now if you want the area of circle, that will be, so I will write it here, area of circle, that will be pi r square, that is 3.14 for the value of pi. Your radius is 2.5 and again 2.5 because we want to make a square. When you multiply this, my dear kids, you will get area of circle. Now your third part is area of square not covered by the disk. That means this shaded part. Yes, how you will find the area of this shaded part? Naturally, when you subtract square, when you subtract a circle from the square, you will get the remaining part will be the area of which will be the area of shaded region. Am I correct with this? So yes, you have to go for area of square, which you got it here, and area of circle. When you subtract them, you will get area of square not covered by disk, or you can say area of shaded region. What it will be? That will be area of square minus area of circle. Is that clear? Your next is very similar problem. Whatever we have done with previous problem, taking a square outside and inside circle. Similarly, now you have the outside part to be the rectangle and inside you have a circle. Now what will be the measurement of circle then? How you will find the radius? The radius will be your width of your rectangle. That means if you put it here, that will be similar to 4 and the radius will be 2 of the circle. Yes, so with radius 2, you will find the area of this circle, and with your length 6 and breadth 4, you will find the area of rectangle. So you will get the two things together and then you have to just subtract them to get the area of remaining portion, that is not covered by circle or not covered by disk. ठीक है, तो remaining part आप subtract करोगे and you will get it. The only tricky part here is to find the radius. Kids don't understand that if I'm taking a square, this, so the side of the square, whatever side of the square we have will be equal to the diameter of the circle. And similarly, if I am taking a rectangle and I am making a circle, then whatever width I have of a circle, that will be same as your diameter of the circle. Is that clear?